A city is recognized by many things. This could include factors like infrastructure, cleanliness, safety, and traffic. And that's not all. It is imperative that a city also be able to track all of these to ensure efficiency. And so, the need of the hour, from an administrative perspective, is an intelligent, technology driven solution that will shape societies and cities of the future. Introducing Beltec, a groundbreaking platform that integrates public infrastructure with artificial intelligence and the Internet of Things for greater efficiency. With this solution, we have created a range of products that address various administrative issues. SecureMe is designed to keep women safe at all times. The solution identifies and alerts authorities every time a woman faces any kind of danger, anywhere in the city. All of this is done automatically through our camera and AI infrastructure, which means she's always safe, even without a phone. Eagle Eye helps citizens stay safe 24/7. Using the Beltec infrastructure, this product recognizes suspicious and criminal activities, alerting authorities at the right time. It also performs other critical functions, such as tracking down criminals and providing extensive analytics to help make the city safer. Our smart solution for traffic management always records traffic density. Based on this data, it facilitates interconnectivity among traffic signals, streamlining traffic across the city. Apart from this, it also detects violations and automated ticketing. The result? Lesser congestion, lesser time spent in traffic, and better organized city systems. It doesn't end here. Beltec's technology enables a wide range of benefits across many functionalities, be it safety, infrastructure, or operational. Take, for example, garbage collection. Our platform locates garbage in the city and tracks the efficiency and promptness of contractors collecting these. It even tracks citizens who litter, analyzing details such as who they are, when, and where they littered, and related analytics. Another great application of the Beltec infrastructure is bus tracking. The platform tracks buses using AI and automatically calculates time to reach destinations using real-time traffic data. It also offers driving analytics, enabling authorities to take corrective action and make cities a haven for traffic. Further, our infrastructure can serve as a foundation for others to build on the platform, enabling new innovations geared towards smart city living. Beltec was established with the vision of building cities that are safe, smart, and futuristic. And we are excited about the many possibilities it brings with it. Beltec, changing cities, changing countries, changing the world.